Political temperatures are rising in Odisha as fresh speculation emerges over a possible alliance between Congress and Biju Janata Dal ahead of upcoming Panchayat elections. The buzz began after PCC President Bhakta Charan Das indicated that a tie-up between the two parties could take shape, provided the party high command gives its approval. Speaking in Khordha, he made it clear that the final decision would rest with the All India Congress Committee and senior leadership including Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge. While the Congress leader maintained that they are preparing to contest and win Panchayat and municipal elections independently, Das acknowledged that a broader alliance in the interest of the state or national politics cannot be ruled out. On the other side, the BJD has responded cautiously but left the door open. Senior leader Debi Prasad Mishra said that possibilities exist in every field, hinting that political equations can evolve depending on circumstances. Mishra further stressed that any final decision would be taken by party supremo Naveen Patnaik, keeping Odisha's interests at the forefront. With local body elections drawing closer, this potential alliance could reshape the political landscape of the state. For now, all eyes remain on the high commands of both parties as Odisha awaits its next big political move.
जदि बीजेडी चाहिए भविष्य में आम दलर नेता शीर्ष नेता खड़गे जी राहुल गांधी जी चाहिए जे ना जे ओडिशा गोटे सेक्युलर पार्टी जो बुझामणा आरंभ होती राज्यसभा ताकू निर्वाचन रे उतारिबार आवश्यकता अच्छी बोले पार्टी हाईकमांड एआईसीसी करपटे पार्टी हाईकमांड नवीन बाबू करेंगे बोले संभावना हो पारे जिते प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमिटी संपर्क आम निजक तैयारी करुँ प्रत्येक पंचायत जिला परिषद जितवा जदि एआईसीसी कह आवश्यकता अच्छी राष्ट्रीय हितकर दृष्टिकोण आपण मैंने करतु ताहेले एआईसीसी आदेश मानवाई आम बाध्य।